Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge. Myself Tufan from the StockEdge team. If you're not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform. So I'm going to start with crude oil, which is the most debated chart right now. Why? Because yesterday crude oil was down by more than 12%. Why? Because Trump announced ceasefire. Now today you can see that it is forming a doji around this particular level, which is approx 67.90 right now. This is real time. Fine. So this is a very positive factor for Indian market because we are net importer of Brent crude. Now on another hand, I would like to share the data. So I'm going to this particular screen. You can see that yesterday I had posted in my Twitter account, this is my Twitter handle, RiseWise. Yesterday I posted this chart. This is related to oil tankers that moves from this Strait of Hormuz. Fine. So the white colored line basically represents these tankers. And this is from east to west. This is from east to west direction. Fine. And in the lower panel, you see this is west to east. This is west to east. And same, this is tankers. So in both these charts, that is from east to west and west to east, you can see the curve falling down drastically. That means number of tankers moving from this particular Strait of Hormuz is declining. Fine. So that is obviously a red flag based on data. Clear? Because if it goes on declining, if it comes more on the downside, then price is supposed to go on the higher side in crude. Fine. Now let me just show you the chart of Nifty. So I'll start with lower time frame chart, that is 5 minutes. So Trump announced ceasefire yesterday, right? And that caused this gap up. There is a gap up, right? It opened higher and again surged higher, but faced resistance around this level and started coming down from approx 12 p.m. and closed around 25.71. Let me just go to daily chart once. This is the current scenario of Nifty spot. You can see that it is moving in a very tight channel, correct? Now, the upside level that you need to remember from here are 25,222. That is the high of this particular candle, that is 25,222. Today it went higher, but it could not give a closing above that 25,222 level. What are the levels that you need to track from here? You need to track this 25,222 on the upper side, and on the downside initially you need to track 25,000. Because that's a major psychological level, and below that obviously you need to track this 24,473. that is the low of this particular candle. So on the higher side it's 25,222 and on the downside it's 24,473. Fine. Now let me just show you the bank Nifty chart. This is the only fuel which is triggering Nifty's movement, and you can see that bank Nifty also today surged higher, but it could not sustain. After opening higher, it closed on the downside, and at the fag end it formed a doji, correct? Now the levels that you need to track from here are 57,000 on the higher side, and on the downside you need to track 56,000. So these are the short-term immediate support and resistance level in Bank Nifty that you need to track. So from here on, you need to track minutely how Iran and Israel reacts, because Trump himself has announced that ceasefire violation has happened. Fine. So I hope I could throw some light related to the current market scenario. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and obviously don't forget to put your comment in the comment section below. Have a great trading session tomorrow. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.